Hi scholars, welcome to ScholarshipTab. I'm Emmanuel, and in this video I'm talking about the fully funded Ahaki Institute Scholarship, which is located in Uganda. So if you're an African student or an African citizen interested in pursuing a career in health, so this scholarship right here is for you because it covers tuition fees, research allowance, and travel expenses. So in this video I'm walking you through the eligibility requirement and documents needed to apply for this fully funded scholarship, and I'll be showing you how to apply for this scholarship too. So before we begin, kindly do also click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get more educational content like this from us when we release the videos. So let's dive in. So the first thing you do is you go to your favorite web browser and search for ScholarshipTab.com. So when you search for ScholarshipTab.com, as you can see, this is the page for ScholarshipTab, and there are different scholarships there. You can check for it: fully funded, master's, undergraduate. So to make your search easy, you can make use of this search button right here and search for Ahaki. So this is the Ahaki Institute Scholarship, as you can see right here. So you click on it. So as you can see, this is the Ahaki Institute Scholarship for Sexual and Reproductive Health in Uganda. So the scholarship is for African students who are interested in pursuing a bachelor's degree or postgraduate diploma degree in sexual and reproductive health, and then it covers your tuition fees, that's full or partial tuition fees, research related costs, and travel expenses where necessary. So this scholarship right here, as you can see, is for undergraduate and postgraduate students. So it's for African citizens residing in an African country. So you must be an African citizen residing in an African country, or you must be accepted into the bachelor's degree or postgraduate diploma program in sexual and reproductive health at Ahaki to be eligible for this scholarship. You must be committed to sexual and reproductive justice through prior experience, activism, or demonstrated interest. So you must exhibit leadership potential and a clear desire to impact your local, national, or regional SRH landscape. So the SRH means sexual and reproductive health. So documents required for this scholarship is that you must submit a personal statement, you must submit a current CV or resume, and then a reference letter. So the application deadline for this scholarship is on the 31st of July 2026. So make sure you apply early to stand a higher chance of being chosen. So how do you apply for this scholarship? Well, the first thing you should do is you apply for admission in Ahaki Institute. So you can apply for a bachelor's degree or a postgraduate diploma degree in Ahaki Institute before applying for the scholarship through this link right here. So how do you apply for admission? Let me show you. You click on this right here. So when you click on this, this is the Ahaki Institute Scholarship page. So if you want to apply for admission, you click on this apply button right here at the top corner. So when you click on the button, you see the programs for undergraduate and then bachelor. So you can click on anyone you want to apply for. As you can see, this is the deadline for applying for admission. So you can click on this apply for bachelor's program or apply for postgraduate diploma program. So remember, in sexual and productive health. So how do you apply for this fully funded scholarship? You apply using this link right here. This is a Google form for the scholarship. So make sure you apply for admission first, then you apply for the scholarship too. So what do you need in applying for the scholarship? A personal statement, so maximum 500 words, detailing your motivation, career aspirations, and intended community impacts. Then the current resume, and then reference letter, either related to your academic or professional work in sexual and reproductive health. So you click on this link right here. As you can see, this is the scholarship form for the Ahaki Institute. So applicants must apply for one of the eligible programs in order to be considered for this scholarship. So to apply for the program, that's the link I was coming from before. This is the link here. So you can click on it, then it will open the application page for you. So make sure you're using an active email. That's an email that you can use to get feedback from them. So you indicate your first name here, then your last name, which is also your surname, you indicate it here. And if you have a third name or other name, you have to indicate it here. So I don't have another name. So age, you have to tell them your age in this box here. So your nationality, make sure you're an African citizen living in an African country. So if you are living in Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, South Africa, you have to let them know Egypt, Morocco, so I'm living in Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria. That's your nationality. So you have to tell them the country you are from. Then the next thing you have to input is your contact number. So I've been inputting my contact number. Then your email address. So like I said before, make sure you're using an active email address. They'll be able to contact you. So which choice are you applying for? Is it a bachelor's degree or a postgraduate diploma degree? So I'm going for a bachelor's degree. So your gender, are you a male, female, or you prefer not to say? So if you're a male, that's a man, you choose this. If you're a female woman, you choose this. If you prefer not to say, then you can choose this. So I'm a male. So the next thing you have to update is your personal statement, which is a maximum of 500 words. So please make sure that everything you are writing in this box right here is not more than 500 words. So what are you to put in your personal statement? You have to explain your motivation for studying the course. That's why you choose the course. Then you have to tell them how the program aligns with your career goals and then the impact you hope to make in your community or country. So please make sure that everything you're writing here is not more than 500 words. So I'll be putting mine. So mind you, this is a dummy text. It's just for application purpose only. So please do not copy this text. So the next thing you have to upload is your CV or resume. So I'll update that. Now, the last thing you have to upload, which is important also, is your academic documents. So upload all academic files in one document. So if you're applying for a bachelor's degree in this university, so you have to upload that's your high school certificates, high school transcripts, and then your reference letter. I told you you'll be needing reference letter for the scholarship. So you have to put everything together in one PDF file and then upload it here. So if you are going for if you're going for a master's degree, you have to upload your bachelor's degree certificate, your bachelor's degree transcript, and your other academic files, as well as your reference letter too. You'll be needing your reference letter too, so you have to click this and then upload it. So once you upload your academic documents, CV and resume, so I'll advise you to scroll back up to the beginning and then check through everything if there's anything missing or any mistake there. So when you check through everything and then you notice that there is no mistake or there is no error, you can click on this submit button. So as you can see right here, thank you for submitting. Your response has been recorded. So this is the end of applying for the Ahaki Institute Scholarship. So if you enjoyed this video, please do it to click the like button, subscribe, and turn notification bells. So you can as well share to your friends and loved ones. They can also benefit from our videos. So remember the name ScholarshipTab. We love you all and wish you good luck in your applications. Thank you.